Your AI coding assistant is fast. The painful part is what happens after it is fast. Vague prompts turn into confident code turns into cleanup, and your afternoon becomes a bug hunt. AWS just gave that problem a very operator-friendly name. In its Kiro coding tool, the company is pushing a spec check. Before the agent races into implementation, the work is pinned to a written specification, not a giant requirements document, a gate, a short, testable contract that says what the software should do, what it should not do, and how you will know it worked. Here is the playbook. Install a spec gate between idea and code. Most teams are still using AI coding like a power drill with no jig. You point at a feature and say, "Build this." The tool produces files, tests, migrations, and a little bit of mystery. Maybe it is right. Maybe it is right in the demo and wrong in production. The hidden cost is not generation. The hidden cost is interpretation. A spec gate changes the job. The builder does not ask, "Can the model write code?" The builder asks, "Did we freeze the intent before the model starts spending tokens?" That one shift turns AI coding from a slot machine into a work order. Think like a construction foreman. Before anyone pours concrete, the foreman checks the blueprint, the inspection points, and the edge cases. In software, your spec gate should have 4 parts. First, the user promise. One sentence. When a user does this, the system must respond like that. If you cannot say it plainly, the agent cannot safely infer it. Second, the boundaries. List what is out of scope. This is where you stop the assistant from helpfully rebuilding authentication, changing the database shape, or inventing a new settings page because it saw a pattern nearby. Third, the proof. Name the tests, screenshots, log lines, or acceptance checks that count as done. The agent should not just finish code, it should finish evidence. Fourth, the review trigger. Decide what change requires a human pause, deleting data, changing permissions, touching payments, modifying public APIs, or weakening security controls. That is the difference between assistance and delegation. The important part is that the spec is not bureaucracy, it is compression. It compresses your judgment into a form the agent can follow. Without it, the model optimizes for plausible progress. With it, the model optimizes against a visible contract. So if you are a builder this week, do not start by asking which coding agent is smartest. Start by adding one small ceremony before every AI-generated change. Write the spec, let the agent critique the spec, then let it code only after the gate is clear. Your new operating question is simple. What would make this feature safe to build without me staring at every line? Answer that, and you stop being the person cleaning up AI slop. You become the foreman of a faster software crew.